Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV specialist at California RV Specialist, and Zach back there in the corner. Anyways, I just wanted to talk about this unit for a second. First thing, this is a 2020 Grand Design Reflection, and it's a 303 RLS. Now, reason for the video, obviously just document stuff down. I just wanted to thank, the customers, thank Brad Smith at Grand Design. This particular unit is in here for that customer survey, satisfaction survey for doing some frame repairs. But this one was a little bit more than that. So just wanted to say again, how Grand Design's just gone way above and beyond and letting us do what we need to do to make this thing right. So apparently this customer, we've got all the suspension off because the guys are having to completely replace everything. Apparently this gentleman had the leaf spring at one time rip off the coach. And so you see how nasty that is. Somebody's kind of hacked it and done a repair over here. They've done the same thing on the other side. So that leaf spring hanger ripped off, and we can't grind and cut all that off. We'll destroy it. Oops, sorry for the license plate. On this side over here, they've done the same thing. Zach's out here been cutting on it, but you can see that they've, added all kinds of metal to it. And I don't know what that mark is on there for. He's in the process of cutting all the welds off and getting ready to take down that whole tube. So then he's got to clean up the frame itself. So he's got, not only does he have cracks in the frame, so he's going to have to take down this bar that controls the slide out to get to that. And you can see over here where he's, popping it loose and trying to cut it carefully to get it all off there. So he's taking that whole tube off, all the hangers off, got to fix all the cracks in the I-beams and plate them. He's not able to do the tube on that one side because it's got the slide outs in the way. And so here's a crack right here. You can see that guy, it's a pretty good size L. And so that one's above the 2-inch mark anyway. So basically I just wanted to talk about, the appreciation and the respect for them. Again, these cracks are not going to cause you any kind of a wreck or anything like that. So they're not an unsafe issue. They're cracking. Sometimes they'll crack before the hanger, after the hanger, whichever direction it wants to. Sometimes they're ripping off the leaf spring hangers in different areas, front or rear. The cracks are anywhere on all three of the hangers. So we've had some where we've had one. We've had some where we've had two. We've had some where we've had 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think the most we've had was, I want to say 9 on a unit. We've had other ones that had impact damage and stuff that had in that one video that we put out. But so Zach's going to have to cut all that off, clean up all the I-beam, weld a new tube on it, weld new hangers on it, weld new V-braces in it, weld all the patches on it wherever it's cracked, grind out all the cracks, stop drill them, fill them, grind them down flat, then paint them, and then paint the whole area up and re-weld everything all back together, and then of course put all the new suspension back on, or put the suspension back on, excuse me. So just want to talk about that. I don't remember the total hours, but it's up there. It's in the high 30s that they're allowing for this. He's also had to open up the underbelly, as you can see up here. Let me get back in closer. And the reason he has to do that is he cuts the underbelly just as small as he can, flares it open, then he'll go back in and he'll reinforce it and add some wood and stuff to fix it. Got to take down all the foam, any propane lines that are in the way, any electrical lines, all that kind of fun stuff. And then he'll have to go back in and, refoam it, reseal it, all that fun stuff. So, but just want to say thanks again to our customer and for bringing it into us. And then thanks to the guys at Grand Design. I think he's also elected to do a Roadmaster kit as well after we get this back together. And if you haven't checked out that kit, encourage you to do so. It's one of the more popular ones out there besides going, to more ride or having a fully independent suspension put in. That's a slipper springs with shocks, and you can look at their website and stuff like that for more details on it. Increases the ride, reduces the shake and vibration, extends the tire life because now it's keeping it more of a true alignment, and then it's just a better system. So Anyways, stay tuned for more, and I'll get back to you and take some more pictures as he's getting into this. And we appreciate you guys watching. This was Dustin, your RV specialist at California RV Specialist. And once again, if you haven't joined our Grand Design RV Owners Maintenance and Repairs in the RV Shop with Dustin, whoo, that's long. I encourage you to do so. That's we got, I think we're up to, oh geez, I don't remember now. I don't remember if it's 41 or 46,800, something like that. 41,800, I think, now and counting. So, but we're going to start doing some better videos. When I say better, it's just mostly me. I'm going to try to be doing more education, and I'm going to keep it simple. So if you're a do-it-yourself, or if you just want to know, like, hey, what do I do, or what to look for, you'll be able to spot it, identify it, and take care of it. But I mean, we're going to start with simple stuff: clearance lights, moldings, caps, ladders, windows, awnings, every little detail on here, decals, how to take care of them, how to maintain them, how to replace parts on them, and all the stuff that happens, you know, in the RV shop. So, all right, you guys, well, hey, thanks so much for watching, and you guys have a great day. This is Dustin, your RV Specialist.